In this video, I am going to show you how to block ads on TEMU. 1. Begin by launching the Google Chrome on your device or computer, whether you're on your smartphone, tablet, or desktop. Once Chrome is open, look for the More option symbolized by 3 vertical dots. Tap on the More options to open a menu with various choices. From the list, select Settings to enter Chrome's Settings panel, where you can adjust various aspects of your browsing experience. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find Content Settings or Site Settings. This section allows you to manage how content is displayed and how sites interact with your browser. In the Content or Site Settings, look for the Pop-ups option. It might be labeled as Block Pop-ups or simply Pop-ups. When you find it, tap to enter the settings of this. You'll see a toggle switch for an option to block pop-ups. Make sure the setting is enabled or turned on. By doing so, you instruct Chrome to prevent pop-ups from appearing, which should include those pesky TEMU ads during your search on the site. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.